You say nothing's wrong at all, baby. I say that we falling off, baby. Maybe we just ain't been on the same page. In my mind, I'm done fighting it. In your heart, you keep trying. If the truth is not hiding, that's just the way we are. But can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that.
Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Sheree, but I go by Living Free. Why did I choose that name? I am learning how to live my life freely, not worrying about what anybody has to say about me, what they think about me, how they feel about me. I'm just living my life how I choose to live my life. If you like it, you like it. If you don't, then you just don't like it. But anyways, y'all, today I will be cleaning my room. As you guys can see, my room is out of order. It's a mess, and I would love to bring you guys along with me so you guys can watch me clean my room, and hopefully I motivate somebody to get up and clean up as well, like I be getting motivated by a lot of YouTubers when it comes to them cleaning up or even going grocery shopping, just vlogging, period. I have a few people that I watch, like Miss Cleosha. I love watching Miss Cleosha because she just seems like she's so sweet, down to earth, loving, caring, especially when it comes to her children. I love the way she edits her videos. I love the way she cleans, how she remodeled her new home that she purchased. Y'all, if y'all don't know who she is, I will leave her name down in the description box below so you can go check her out, or I'm gonna leave it here on the screen. But we're going to get up into this video. I'm just going to let it play out so you guys can enjoy me getting my room back the way it needs to be. I hope you enjoy. If you do enjoy, please continue to watch it through all the way to the end to see how it looks. And if you would like to stay around and join my family, I would love for you to do so. And by doing that, I would hope that you will subscribe to my channel, like this video, leave them comments down below, and also don't forget to hit that post notification bell so you know every time I do post videos.
But I love when we make up like that, and you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that.
That's fine for you. I do that 3 more times again. I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch. I do it all, and I'm around. You're scared to do. I'm not. As long as you joking, now in for me. I ain't got it. I've been scheming, looting. I ain't your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody's nobody like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody like you do. You do.
Okay, y'all, if y'all can see me, these right here are my curtains. I have black curtains. As y'all can see, I like black, so I'm gonna have black. My entire room is gonna be black. I might pop a color in here and there, but as of right now, I just want black everything. Well, I'm not gonna lie, I have white sheer curtains that's gonna go in the middle, so I just have to go to the store and get a rod to hang my curtains on. I'm not in a rush to do that, y'all. So that's what I got going on right now. I'm gonna have 2 sets of blackout curtains, and then I have a set of 2 white sheer curtains that I'm gonna have put up soon. And I have a juicer that I ordered off of TikTok, y'all. So stay tuned for that because I'm gonna do an unboxing of this probably sometime this week. I really don't know when, but I don't know what day this week, but it's gonna be this week. If it's not, it might be Thursday or Friday because I know that's when I'm off work. So yeah, I know I just made my bed, and that's fine. I'm just gonna place certain items on my bed so I can clean, you know, in sections of my room. And once I'm done right here, I am going to place these items back right here because as y'all guys can see, my room is little. And I am one of those that put a king size bed in a little ass room. I did. Because I like to sleep well. I like to sleep comfortable, even though I'm the only person that sleeps in my bed. I'm the only person that sleeps in my bed. If I don't sleep by myself, my grandbaby sleeping here with me. Don't you, mama? Don't you? But anyways, y'all, I'm moving this stuff out the way so I can clean up over here in this area. As y'all can see, it's really a mess over here. Yeah, it really is a mess over here, so.
Look at her. Look at her mama, man. Look at her. That ain't my.
Y'all hear my grandbaby in the background. But I paused my music again because I have a this right here is a 24-piece spice bottle kit right here. I have to go get all the spices that I need to put in my new sauce bottles, y'all. This is what they look like. Right here. And then it comes with a cylinder thing that I can easily put in here. And it also comes with a marker, a dry erase marker. So y'all stay tuned for that because I'm going to also do a video on this. I got this off of TikTok Shop as well, y'all. When I tell y'all TikTok Shop has me in a chokehold, baby, oh my God. Mama, you ready for a nap? You ready for a nap? You not? You ready for a nap? Y'all hold on, I'm gonna bring her in here. Come on.
Susie Sheep is dressed up in her nurse's costume.
Don't worry, I'm only
Say hey. Say hi. You gonna tell them hi? Huh? You gonna say hi? Say hey. Say hey, yeah. Say hey.
First base, second base, third base. I'm trying to get you in your birthday. Oh, I know these other niggas thirsty, but please never entertain them, cause that would hurt me. You feel me? Feel me? Yeah. I know you feel me. Oh, I know you feel me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa, whoa. Huh. Girl, I know you feel me, yeah, yeah. Oh, so much to live forward to, baby. Whoa. Let's not rush into it now. Let's not rush into it. When we get to it, we can give it all that we got.
Ain't changed, I stay the same and maintain it. Safe to say the kid get older. Forever gang, I'm never switching over. Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get the pack and keep it open. Big dripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get lost. He ain't focused yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket, not promotion. Shout out Sushi Sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the op, we gotta slow. Ride around with Drake, like we OVO. I got some rats and I want some. Still got them pass in the hood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in a figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these rackets too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in him in some bitch boat. They look braid, this nigga's like getting low. I spent time on the racks on the Lambo and didn't even know how to make them motherfuckers go. On my birthday, I just wanna lift the dough. 30 people don't play with me, period. Keeps follow behind in the years. In the road, I feel like a tourist. I'm the one from the bottom who sold out my partner. The promise is out of the period. Oh, he ain't up. I fuck with lies and I'm gonna bust. He can't put on that drip, he ain't one of us. How you run is a bitch? a Tonka truck. How you got everybody lit piping up? Oh, she bad with no swag, I can pipe her up. They my last and my last, I know walk her up. Count the money up fast like I'm typing some. I'm the type to get active and never run.
Keep the rulers, my niggas ain't scared of none. Ain't no rules, you got rats, you can get it done. On a light day, I keep me 100 bucks. Again, hit after he call me very fun. For the Christmas, I brought everybody. Smoke guns and choppers and F's for everyone. Take the roof out the car, let her feel the sun. I'm broke to see it drop by 5,000 money. Got this bitch off the collar, she suck it and swallow. I stick it and she feel it in her gut. Nigga don't run for my collars, we second up wallow and collar and try get it mega buck. See them triple little nigga, best watch your step. This top shelf, got 40 designer belts. OPF, look like the new BM up. Think I'm deaf, got clothes in my right and left. And you talk like the car ain't no key in there. Just pull up till they block and get out of there. Ain't gonna have a hard time finding what to wear. Treat it like a tire, I keep it spell. On the stuff because I'm war ready. Check the trunk, I'm counting more fake. Sky swelling, smoothly in the prison. Time to 50 flying, bitch, you mellow. But the game to his empty, look color, spit the flavor to the temp. Yo, I am not a killer, but don't tell me I'm spending rate 5,000 to a 50.
Oh, he eating up. I fuck with slides and I'm gonna bust. He can't put on that drip, he ain't one of us. How you riding the Benz in a Tonka truck? How you got everybody lit piping up? Oh, she bad with no swag, I can.
y'all, I am done cleaning my room, my closet. Look, y'all know my room is itty bitty. Like I said earlier, I'm one of those that put a king size bed in my room. I just like it. And I don't understand why I put my bed right here. I just wanted it right here. I got a scoop to get in my closet. And now I don't want to move my bed. Soon, I will move my bed so I can be able to get into my closet. I took the sliding doors off of my closet. I am going to put some black curtains up whenever I get a chance to put my curtains up on my windows. But as of right now, it's an open closet. And it's cool for me because don't nobody be in here but me or my kids. I moved my refrigerator over to this wall because it was kind of hard for me to open it up because of my rug. Yeah, I still have to shampoo my carpet. I haven't shampooed my carpet just yet. I will this weekend. I clipped my mirror. I love this body mirror, y'all. I look crazy. Got the nightgown on. But anyways, I love my body mirror because I can see what I got on. In a minute, I'm about to do a video to for my TikTok promotion. If y'all know, you know. These are the snacks that the kids have left. And I do put them in my room because they will eat it up in one setting. And I put it in here so they don't do that. They know they can get them whenever they want them. I just put it in here so they can last longer than 2 to 3 days. I wiped everything down. I straightened up the little stuff that I do have over here as well. These are the extra blankets that I do have for my bed. I don't have anything to put them in, so I just folded them up and put them right here on the floor. Yeah, and that's what we have going on in my room. My room is clean, y'all. Clean enough for me. And that's all that matters. I do have LED lights up on my wall. I have another 50-foot that I'm thinking about putting up, going up that way and then coming down and going around the rim of my room. I might do that once I move around in my room. But as of right now, I'm not going to do it because I have to get behind this bed. And I don't feel like doing all of that. But yeah, y'all, I'm going to give y'all another view of my room. And get off of here because she's starting to wake up. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. Also that post notification bell so you know every time I do post my videos. And leave them comments down below what y'all think. Say hey. Say I'm woke. Say hello. Hi. Girl, get that booty out there. You trying to flip over? Go ahead. Say hello.